All right, guys. First off, hopefully it's not too windy out here, but we're out at US Park 9091. It's the Dexter Wildlife Management Area out here in upstate New York. This is one of the parks one of the parking lots you can activate at. But what we're here really for is this. This is my 2-element 10m Yagi antenna. Now, as you see, we've got 2 boom pieces here. This is actually 4, but I've joined them just to save some time. And then we have the actual mounting points for the reflecting and driven elements. We've got the reflecting elements here with a little bit of hardware to adapt into these furniture threads that I've used here. And then we've got the 2 driven elements that will go into that bolt in there. That bolt has been drilled and tapped to accept these 2 bolts here, and then that just goes to a 259 connector that I've adapted to BNC just for ease of use. For the center, in this case, we're going to be using some surplus camo net poles, this is where the top goes. And then we've got the 2 sides right here that will join together inside of here and then be bolted in. Over here, we've got a tripod adapter for the camo net poles, which you'll see how that's set up later. As far as the radio, we have the FT710, and then this is the battery bank I've gone over in a short on one of my other videos. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting this set up, and I'll see you once we're done.
Yeah. 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 Late pay, same shoes, but I walk like I never lose. Sidewalk shine on a busted hill, but the way I glide got that $1 billion feel. I got that midnight sidewalk strut. Oh yeah. Got that broke but I don't care luck. Got that 1-2 slide, hands up high when the world says stop. I still strut. 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 Yeah. Strut. Old coat, frayed sleeve, still I flip that collar like I run the street. Little head nod to the corner store crew. They say, why you so smooth? I say, look, I just do. I got that midnight sidewalk strut. Hey, got that broke but I don't care luck. Hey, got that 1-2 slide, hands up high when the world says stop. I still strut. 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 Yeah. Strut.
Move this way. That's fine.
Left heel light, right foot heavy, hips on beat, heart rock steady. Step, 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 let the troubles melt. Every crack in the concrete knows just how I feel. I got that midnight sidewalk strut. Come on. Got that broke but I don't care luck. Got that 1-2 slide, hands up high when the world says stop. I still strut. 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 Strut down the block. Oh yeah. Head up high, can't be stopped. One more turn, one more cut till the sun comes up.
All right, as you see, we've got the 10m Yagi set up here. I like to just set it up as you saw on this first section. Just makes it really easy, puts everything at my arm's length. But next step will be, we'll take it off of that, put it onto this pole, and then mount it onto the mast. See you in a second. All right. Now that we've done that, actually I want to Wrap that around here. All right. Hoist it up. We want to be pointing generally that way, so go ahead and get us pointed that way. All right. There we go. I'm going to give her a few rotations to allow this coax. And then we're going to leave her pointed right now in that general direction. Make sure all our tripod legs are on the ground. All right. Make sure we don't trip on that. And there we go. Got the 10 meter. Now those sections are about 4 feet long, so this is probably about 12 to 16 feet high. All right, so next we'll go over setting this up, which kind of also lets me get into this battery, which I love. So this is the converter, if that wasn't obvious. Get the radio out of the way. That'll stay there. As I stated, this is the Yaesu FT710. It's a good little radio, I like it. Picked it up used, but pretty much brand new, honestly. All right, all we gotta do is turn the power on. Bam, that's lit up. Here she goes. Had me worried there for a second. All right, go ahead and turn this down. Sounds like I was doing some FT8 at some point. So we're gonna go ahead and go up into, oh, that's not what I want. All right, guys, sorry about that. We are back. Turns out this connector is not good, and that was the one that was hanging, so I wasn't getting any signal. I went, hooked it up to here, and it was non-existent, but we're good now. We're able to tune, as you can see.
Roger, Alabama, thank you.
All right, guys, we're tuned up.
CQ, W1AW, stroke 6.
We're gonna put them in.
W1AW, stroke 6.
Kilo Echo 2, Golf Yankee Hotel. Kilo Echo 2, Golf Yankee Hotel. Kilo Echo 2, Golf Yankee Hotel.
Golf India Hotel?
Yankee, Yankee, Yankee.
Is it Golf India Hotel, Pete?
Golf Yankee Hotel, Golf Yankee Hotel.
There we go. Kilo Echo 2, Golf Yankee Hotel. I heard you that time. 59 cal.
I got 5.9 into upstate New York, and yeah, I don't think I had the Yagi pointed at you, that's why.
Roger, upstate New York, 59 California.
Thank you. All right, so as you can see, I've been getting a few contacts. Just wanted to show you one thing I do need to improve on this. I think having a grounding rod would be perfect. As you'll notice, I'm going to touch the top of this, and I'll show you this. Huge increase of noise whenever I touch it. So I'm going to keep making contacts, get the 10. As you see, I've got, technically only got 3. I've got 4 in here. It's actually only going to be those last 3, and I'll get back to you when I'm done. 73 QRZ for Parks on the Air 9091.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Mike Yankee Charlie.
Say again, last station.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Mike Yankee Charlie, KF0 NYC.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Mike Yankee Charlie, is that correct?
QSL.
Roger, I've got you at about a good strong 5.9 into upstate New York. I got you Riley out of Colorado, correct?
QSL, I got you 5.9 in Colorado, 7.3, thanks for waiting to pick me up and hold on.
Thank you, 73, and I will. All right, QRZ, US Park 9091. Or Kilo Echo 2, Golf Yankee Hotel, calling CQ, POTA, and listening.
November Mike 5, Sierra Papa.
November Mike 5 Sierra Papa Allen, I've got you at a strong 590 at upstate New York.
Roger, roger, 5959 both ways. 73, hope you have a very blessed Easter.
Thank you, you as well, 73, and have a good day. All right, guys, well, that was US Park 9091, and we've got a beautiful sunset behind me as I go to break down this antenna. It sounds like possible thunder down there, but we've got the 10 meter Yagi up there, just cruising. We were able to get a contact in Hawaii, which was awesome, with the bands being as bad as they are. We were both surprised. Best part, he was actually my first contact from Hawaii at this same park, at my first ever POTA activation. So it was awesome to be able to get a contact with him again. But yeah, I'm going to break this down, get out of here before it gets too dark. All right, guys, I was about to close out, but I did want to just take a second to thank each and every one of you, all of the subscribers, all of the viewers, everyone who's been downloading and making all the models that I have up on Maker World, all the people who've been buying the launcher from me, which has been an amazing struggle to have. When I designed it and launched it and released it, no pun intended for the launching it, I didn't expect it to blow up as well as it did. I definitely didn't expect to have to be selling it. And if you've seen any of my shorts, you've seen that I've had to get a new printer just to keep up with the demand. But I'm really thankful. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. We're about at the 400 subscriber mark. So if you're not subscribed and you want to keep seeing all the cool random projects I've got, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And until then, have a great day. 73, happy Easter, and see ya.
Hey, same shoes, but I walk like I never lose.